Welcome my friends to my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to be making a delicious Mexican beef soup. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. The ingredients that we are going to be using today are 3 pieces of beef shanks with bone, salt, 1 pound of carrots, 1/4 of cabbage, 2 corns, 3 zucchinis, 4 potatoes, 1 cup of chickpeas, half a cup of rice, 1/4 of onion, 1 tomato, 10 branches of cilantro, 2 cloves of garlic. This would be all the ingredients we're going to be using. First, we're going to put our 3 pieces of meat in water and also our chickpeas. Next, we are going to wash our rice. We are going to place our pot on top of the stove with water and gonna heat it up at high temperature. Now that our meat has rested on water, we are going to wash it. Once we finish washing it, we are going to cut our meat into 2 pieces or to your taste. Once we have cut all our pieces, we are going to add it to our pot. Next, we'll be adding our chickpeas. We then cover our pot. Now we'll be cutting our corn into 3 pieces. We wash our zucchinis. Before cutting our zucchinis into pieces, we have to remove the top and bottom part of the zucchinis. We are going to cut our zucchinis as shown. Let's see our pot. You see this foam on the top? We are going to remove it. Once we finish removing the foam from the top of our pot, we are now going to cut our cabbage into 2 pieces. Next, we're going to be washing our cabbage. Then our cilantro. We wash our onion and then our zucchini. Let's check our pot again. As you see, we have more foam. Once more, we are going to remove the foam. Once we finish removing all the foam, we are going to cut our garlic into little pieces and add it to our pot. We are also going to cut our tomato into little pieces and add it to the pot. Once we are done adding the garlic and the tomato, we cover our pot. Now we are going to peel our potatoes. We are going to cut our potatoes as shown into 8 pieces. Once we finish cutting our potatoes, we are going to wash them. Let's check our pot. As you could see, it is boiling. We check that our meat is at the point. Yes, it is. We add our corn. Finish adding our corn, we are going to add the onion, then the cilantro, and we mix it and cover it. Now we are going to add the rice, then the cabbage. We are going to add the carrots and mix it. Then our zucchinis. And lastly, salt to your taste. We then mix it. Lastly, we are going to add our potato and stir it. And then we cover our pot. Once our pot starts boiling, our Mexican beef soup is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's check on our Mexican beef soup. As you could see, it is boiling already. We could now turn off the stove and it's ready to enjoy. I hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, Las Delicias de la Cocina. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below what other recipes you would like to see. Subscribe for more recipes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.